Hello dear students, it's Unit 11 and our topic is family and we will talk about your family. Assalomu alaykum hurmatli talabalar, bugun 11-darsimiz va bugun biz darsimizda oila haqida gaplashamiz. Our agenda divided into 3 parts. What is a family, vocabulary and past simple tense. What is a family itself? A family is a group of relatives who live together and have common interests. Oila bu aslida nima? Bir xil qiziqishga ega bo'lgan guruh bo'lib yashovchi jamoalar oila deyiladi. Family vocabulary. Here you can see some family vocabulary and you should learn by heart it. Demak, quyida siz oilaga doir lug'atlarni ko'rishingiz mumkin va bularni ko'rib yodlab olamiz. Family, oila, father, dada, mother, ona, sister, opa yoki singil, brother, aka yoki uka, uncle, amaki, tog'a, aunt, amma yoki xola, grandmother, buvi, grandfather, buvi, bobo, grandparents, bobo, buvi, mother-in-law, qaynona, father-in-law, qaynota, husband, husband, wife, xotin, step, o'gay, nephew, o'g'il bola, jiyan, niece, qiz bola, jiyan, cousin, amakivachcha, xolavachcha, tog'avachchalarga nisbatan ishlatiladi. Bride, kelin, and groom, kuyov kabi family vocabulary'imiz mavjud, ya'ni oilaga oid so'zlarimiz. And past simple va biz past simple haqida gaplashamiz. Demak, bu past simple o'zi nima? Bu o'tgan zamon deb tarjima qilinadi va ingliz tilida o'tgan zamon past simple deyiladi. Past simple da fe'l va ot gaplardan iborat bo'lishi mumkin. Ya'ni ish harakat ishtirok etmagan gaplarimiz ot gaplar deyiladi. Misol uchun, ot gaplarimiz to be bilan yasaladi va to be ning o'tgan zamondagi shakli was va were dan iborat. Va bo'lmoq, hisoblanmoq, sanalmoq deb tarjima qilinadi. I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, you were and they were kabi qo'llaniladi. Va uning so'roq shakli esa to be oldinga chiqadi, ya'ni was va were egadan, subjectdan oldinga chiqadi. Inkor shaklida not inkor qo'shimchasini yordamga chaqiramiz, ya'ni I wasn't, you weren't, he wasn't, she wasn't, it wasn't, we weren't, you weren't and they weren't kabi qo'llanilishi mumkin. Bundan tashqari verblar haqida gaplashamiz, ya'ni ingliz tilida verb bu fe'l deb tarjima qilinadi. In English there are two types of verbs. Ingliz tilida fe'lning ikkita turi mavjud. Birinchisi regular to'g'ri fe'llar va ikkinchisi irregular noto'g'ri fe'llar. A regular verb is a type of verb in English that follows a predictable pattern when conjugated, and these verbs typically form their past tense and past participle by adding ed to the base form, making them relatively easy to conjugate. An example include walked, talked and played. Regular, ya'ni to'g'ri fe'llar ingliz tilida o'tgan zamon va fe'lning 3-shakli oson yasaladi, ya'ni ularning zamonlarda ed qo'shish yordamida shaklini o'zgartirishimiz mumkin. Ularga misol walk, walked, yurmoq, talk, talked, gaplashmoq, and play, o'ynamoq, played kabilarni misol tariqasida olishimiz mumkin. Va bundan tashqari yana regular verblarga want, xohlamoq, love, yaxshi ko'rmoq, like, yoqtirmoq, invite, taklif qilmoq, call, telefon qilmoq, talk, gaplashmoq, prefer, afzal ko'rmoq, marry, uylanmoq yoki turmush qurmoq, move, harakatlanmoq yoki yurmoq, damage, zarar yetkazmoq, irritate, g'azablantirmoq, g'ashiga tegmoq, start, boshlamoq, smoke, chekmoq, brush, cho'tkalamoq, use, foydalanmoq, agree, qo'shilmoq va encourage, ruhlantirmoq kabi so'zlarimiz kiradi va bularning regular fe'llarning o'tgan va fe'lning 3-shakllari, sifatdosh shakllari ed qo'shish yordamida yasalar ekan. Irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are unpredictable. When describing past actions, they might stay the same or change just a part of the word or change the whole word. Demak, noto'g'ri fe'llarning aniq bir shakli yo'q. Ularning infinitiv shaklidan tashqari fe'lning birinchi va ikkinchi, uchinchi shakllari, ikkinchi va uchinchi shakllarni yozganimizda qisman yoki butunlay so'zning o'zi o'zgarib ketishi mumkin. Misol uchun cut so'zi cut kesmoq, to'g'ramoq deb tarjima qilinadi va ikkinchi va uchinchi shakllar ham aynan cut tarzida yasaladi. Ikkinchi shakli qisman o'zgaradi. Grow o'smoq, ulg'aymoq, grew ikkinchi shakli va uchinchi shakli grown kabi o'zgarishi mumkin. Va uchinchisi think, o'ylamoq, xayol qilmoq ma'nolarida ishlatiladi va ikkinchi va uchinchi shakli butunlay o'zgarib ketadi. Sing, sot kabi. Bular irregular verbs deyiladi, ya'ni noto'g'ri fe'llar deyiladi. Irregular verbs demak biz noto'g'ri va to'g'ri fe'llarni qayerdan farqlashimiz mumkin? Noto'g'ri va to'g'ri fe'llarning maxsus jadvali mavjud. Agar siz noto'g'ri fe'llarni yodlab olsangiz, to'g'ri fe'llarni farqlash qiyin bo'lmasdan qoladi. Misol uchun be, was, were, been, come, came, come, do, did, done, drink, drank, drunk, eat, ate, eaten, get, got, go, went, gone, have, had, know, knew, known, make, made, made, read, read, say, said, see, saw, seen, take, took, taken kabi noto'g'ri fe'llarimiz mavjud. That's all for now, dear students. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon next time.